Chahi ama helaklaba Manipur gi irang asigi warushi na thubada puraknaba center gi luchingba singda taksilagani haina numit kharani gi khongchat ki damak Imphal da ngarang thunglakiba Minister of State Communication and Rural Development Dr. PEMMASANI Chandrasekhar na phongdokrai wafam asingasi Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission gi makhada ita Women Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited na senduna Khurai AC gi manung channa Kangla Sangom Sangda chathakiba nong magyoiba interaction program gi thauramda phongdokhibani Tongan ba self-help group ki members sing na saruk yaduna chathakiba thoramadu MoS Sekharna mahaki ahanba Manipur khongchet asigi manung chana ngarang Imphal de hek thunglabaga tongan ba relief camp sing na chatuna miyamna thengnariba khudong chadaba sing yengsilure relief camp sing da leiriba naha kaya na masa bu thabak pizaduna senthok lambi leinaba khutsa haibagi pothok sing puthok lamba asimak thagat ngai ni haiki Mahang makha taraduna Manipur gi tangdu leita daba fiba masana state asigi semetlonda chauna chaitheng nangliba sidadi men khatna ba khonabada self help group SHG singi thodang chauna lei Sufam nomfam khangdana leiriba naha kaya punsinduna self help group semgatpagi chang wangkhalakliba makhai senthok leiba hengatuna chakhotpa khunai ma oiba ngamgani mahaki Manipur khongchat asi loiraba matung Delhi da chatuna relief camp ki miyam gi awawa sing Prime Minister madi Union Home Minister yauna famnaiba singda wakatpada natana mahaki ministry asiki makhada Manipur gi self help group sing asida piba yaba mateng sing pangnaba honagani haina thazaba piramki Ngasi thoramadu Imphal East ki Deputy Commissioner Kumanthem Daina susarkyakhi.
But due to unfortunate situations and the conflict that you guys have been seeing here, people are going through quite a bit of unrest here. And I see the pain from the government of India. I will convey whatever I have observed to the Amit Shah ji, Modi ji and all the people so that this conflict can be decreased quickly. Especially I know how much revenue of the state has decreased because of this conflict. And in these situations, people like you, self-help groups, becomes even more important.